Are you somebody who finds it really hard to clean bathrooms because of all the bending and the kneeling involved? Well, I'm Lisa from Active Domestics and I've got a video that's really going to help you. Here I'm going to show you how to clean a bathroom with a flat mop, and it's going to make the job so much easier. Watch. I always vacuum my bathrooms first before I start cleaning them to get rid of all the excess hair, and then you apply the product. In this case, I'm squeezing the product onto both the tiles and the glass shower screen, or you may have a spray bottle, or if you're using a powdered product, you would put the powder directly onto the damp flat mop. Now see, I always have one hand at the bottom of that handle of the flat mop, and that means I will never crash into anything. I won't bang into the glass shower screen door and break it, because my hand will always alert me before that happens. Just always keep your one hand at the end of the mop. So you see I extended that mop handle there to make the job a little easier, and it was fantastic. This is a Veleda mop, flat mop with the double head, flip side head, and it was awesome. It really got right in, and you can see I'm changing my mopping movements in order to get right into the grouting lines. Excuse all those noises in the background. I'm finding it really hard to find a quiet space right now. Anyway, make sure you actually clean the glass shower screens too. So many people don't do that and then wonder why their shower screens look really gross. You've got to clean them. You've got to get rid of the soap scum and get rid of the mineral deposits and things like that. Then use that flat mop to get right down the bottom and clean the bottom of the shower, getting right into the grouting lines as well. So I just remembered that I needed to do a little bit more cleaning on those fixtures and the places where the mop couldn't get. So I went and grabbed my cloth and did that. I actually wiped over the walls in order to get a bit of product on my cloth, and then used that to wipe everything around. And wipe over the products that that are in the bathroom. Do the job properly, clean everything. Makes it look really good. But a really important part of the shower cleaning process is the rinsing stage, and that's something that people don't spend enough time doing. We're lucky here in this bathroom to have one of these heads that are removable, and it makes the rinsing job so much easier. If you don't have that, you might need a clean cloth and a bucket of warm water, or you may need to get a clean mop head and then interchange the mop heads, wet that, and use that to rinse everything off. But rinsing helps remove all the dirt, and it actually also helps remove the excess cleaning products. So it's not going to be slippery afterwards, and it's not going to be streaky. It's just going to look really nice and clean. So I'm always walking very carefully when I'm stepping in and out and around the shower, because of course I want to make sure I'm not going to slip or trip. I'm using my mop and bucket just to dry everything off, and at the same time the shower screens are getting a chance to air dry whilst I'm doing that. And then I just get my microfiber polishing cloth, which is specifically made for glass and stainless steel, and using that to wipe over everything. I don't need a separate product like a glass product. I just use the microfiber cloth and the dampness from the shower, and it just makes it look beautiful. And then you can use that same microfiber polishing cloth to go over the stainless steel fixtures, and that'll make them and keep them looking nice and shiny and lovely and free of water stains. So look, I was really impressed with how this bathroom came out, and it made the job so much easier. Why didn't I think of this before? It was awesome. It was so much quicker, and I really hope it helps you with cleaning your bathroom. So thank you for watching, and have a great day.